The Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles welcomes all customers to MyDMV portal, your online, self-service portal. Available anytime, anywhere. You can easily renew or replace your registration on MyDMV portal. On a desktop browser, you can navigate using the menu bar at the top of the screen, below the FLHSMV logo. From the menu, select the Motor Vehicle tab. Then you can select Duplicate Registration or Renew Registration. Additionally, you can select Shop here and then Replace My Registration. Alternatively, if you are accessing MyDMV portal using a mobile device, you can access the menu by tapping the 3 lines on the top right side of the screen to display the menu options. Review your active military status and make a selection, if applicable. Review your current residential and mailing addresses on file. If you change your residential address, then you will have to buy a new driver license or ID card. Review your mailing address to make sure that you receive your documents. If you are at a temporary address, you can enter a one-time shipping address during checkout. Then select Update Next. Scroll down for your registrations panel. The panel displays any license plates associated with your account. Radio buttons with fee amounts will appear beside registrations eligible for replacement or renewal. Select the registrations that you would like to duplicate or renew. Answer the accessibility question. Then scroll to the bottom and select Add to Cart. Review the transaction details on the shopping cart preview screen and select Checkout when you're ready to continue the checkout process. Make sure that this is your address. If you need to update your residential or mailing address, select Edit Address. If you would like to send your items to a different address than the one on file, select the Change link to enter a one-time shipping address. Then, select Next to finish processing your request. You should receive your credential in the mail within 7 to 10 business days.